Duol mar Kenya Private Schools Association koro kwayo piny owacho ma pachokae mar mondo mi odew wang'gi e seche mabende gibiro bedo ka gichiwo omenda ne skunde goeko mag piny owacho. Treasurer mar duol nuero mong'ere kaka George Mudasa koro wacho ni omenda makamano biro konyogi ahinya kaka osebedo ka konyo skunde goeko mag piny owacho mar mondo mi giyier jopuonjre mathoth mabende biro riwore koda skunde goeko mag sekondar. Kanoloso koda jofwambo e kaunti ma Kisumu, Mundanyi mabende en director mar Mudasa Academy koro medo wacho ni kwan atamalo 100 mag jopuonjre biro mana riwore koda skunde goeko mag sekondar ponono ni ibichwal gi omenda kawuok ir piny owacho. Kamendi kanoloso.
And we welcome students who want to join us. Like I mentioned, I am privileged to have some information on private schools. I know in Kenya we have about 1,600 secondary schools, and we are capable of admitting about 165,000 students. So the only challenge is that most of the parents like to benefit from the government capitation, which unfortunately is not being extended to private schools at the moment. So it is my humble request that the relevant officials of the government look into it seriously so that we can help decongest the public secondary schools, because in the private sector we have the capacity and we are ready to welcome the many students so that there is 100% transition and in a manner that we are capable of presenting or rather giving quality education to all our Kenyan children. It is not about giving capitation to schools. It is about giving capitation to every Kenyan child. Every Kenyan child is entitled to free education in Kenya, and if there are such like facilities, they should be extended to all the Kenyan children. That for sure is going to help ensure the country across the board we have a quality education.